Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the tech world, you've probably heard the big news. Xiaomi has officially introduced a brand new operating system called HyperOS. This isn't just another update, it's a complete overhaul designed to replace the long-standing MIUI. More than that, it's built to power not just phones, but an entire ecosystem of smart devices, from your watch to your car. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what Xiaomi HyperOS is, explore its key features, see how it differs from MIUI, and explain why this is a huge deal for all Xiaomi users. Ready? Let's get started. So, what exactly is Xiaomi HyperOS? Think of it as the new brain for all of Xiaomi's products. It's a next-generation operating system built from the ground up to unify everything: smartphones, tablets, wearables, smart home gadgets, and even future products like cars, all under one seamless platform. Now, for smartphones, it's important to know that it is still based on Android, so you won't lose access to your favorite apps. But layered on top of Android is Xiaomi's own powerful system, called Vela, which is designed to connect all these different devices far more efficiently than ever before. The core idea is simple but ambitious: one operating system to rule them all, enabling seamless interaction across your entire digital life. It's Xiaomi's answer to creating a truly integrated ecosystem. Now you might be wondering, why did Xiaomi decide to replace MIUI after all these years? MIUI has been with us for over a decade, and in its prime, it was revolutionary. But over time, let's be honest, it started to show its age. Many users complained about performance slowdowns, as new features and animations made the system feel heavy and bloated. The system size itself grew quite large, taking up precious storage space on our devices. And perhaps most importantly, MIUI was never truly designed for the interconnected world we live in today. Its cross-device integration was limited and often clunky. HyperOS was created specifically to solve these problems. It's designed to be lighter, faster, and much more scalable, making it the perfect foundation for modern and future devices. It's a fresh start. One of the biggest and most welcome improvements in HyperOS is raw performance. Xiaomi has put a ton of work into optimizing the very core of the system. First off, the system firmware is significantly smaller in size compared to MIUI, freeing up storage right out of the box. It also uses memory much more efficiently, meaning your phone can handle more apps running at once without getting bogged down. This translates to better battery life, as the system isn't wasting power on unnecessary processes. You'll notice that apps open faster, multitasking feels incredibly smooth, and background tasks are managed more intelligently to prevent slowdowns. And the best part? These benefits aren't just for flagship phones. Even mid-range and budget devices running HyperOS will feel more responsive and snappy in day-to-day use. But performance is only half the story. The real magic of HyperOS is its unified ecosystem experience. This is where Xiaomi is truly aiming to change the game. HyperOS is built with connectivity at its heart, allowing your phone to communicate seamlessly with your tablet, smart TV, watch, and smart home devices. Imagine starting an article on your phone and then picking up your tablet to see it instantly available there. Or getting a notification on your watch and being able to respond to it from your laptop. You can effortlessly share data, control all your smart devices from one central hub, and switch tasks from one product to another without missing a beat. Everything just works together. This focus on a connected ecosystem puts Xiaomi in direct competition with giants like Apple and Samsung, and it's a huge step forward for the brand, of course. A new OS needs a new look, and HyperOS delivers with a cleaner, more consistent design. The user interface has been refined to feel more modern and intuitive. Right away, you'll notice that the animations are incredibly smooth and fluid, making navigating the system a joy. The icons have been updated with a fresh, minimalist aesthetic, and the system menus have been reorganized to be more logical and user-friendly. The control center, a feature we use every day, is now much more organized, giving you quick access to the settings you need most. Overall, the design philosophy seems to be about reducing clutter and making everyday interactions simpler and more pleasant. It's a subtle but significant visual upgrade that makes the entire experience feel more polished and premium. In today's world, security and privacy are more important than ever, and HyperOS brings some serious upgrades in this area. Xiaomi has re-engineered the security framework from the ground up. This includes stronger, system-level protections that are harder for malicious apps to bypass. The app permissions system has been enhanced, giving you more granular control over what data your apps can access. A key focus has also been placed on ensuring secure communication between all your connected devices within the ecosystem. This means your data is encrypted and protected, whether it's on your phone or being shared with your tablet or watch. It's all about creating a trusted environment where you can enjoy the benefits of a connected ecosystem without worrying about your personal information. So, the big question is, which devices will get HyperOS? The new operating system comes pre-installed on the latest Xiaomi, Redmi, and POCO devices. So if you're buying a new phone from them, you'll likely get it right out of the box. For older models, the rollout is happening in phases. Xiaomi has a list of eligible devices that will receive the update, but it depends on the hardware's capabilities. Naturally, flagship and more recent models will be prioritized. The rollout schedules can also vary quite a bit depending on your region and specific device, so it is a good idea to keep an eye on official announcements from Xiaomi to know exactly when you can expect to see it on your phone. So, to wrap it all up, that's Xiaomi HyperOS explained. It's more than just a new name for MIUI, it's a fundamental shift in Xiaomi's strategy. It's lighter, faster, more secure, and thoughtfully designed for a fully connected future where all your devices work together in harmony. For any Xiaomi user, HyperOS represents a massive step forward and a very exciting glimpse into the future of the brand. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on all things tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your fellow Xiaomi fans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.